Hello, everyone. This is a quick video just going through regression in Excel. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. Right, so this is the assessment data we've had, and I want to explain score, and I'm going to explain it in two ways. I'm going to explain it by time, first of all, and then I'm going to explain it by senior and time. Yeah, so to run a regression, we use the data analysis tool pack. So I pull that up and I'll go to regression. Now, the important thing is to remember what is what. Our why is what we want to explain, right? So I want to explain score. I'm going to highlight the entire data. So I'm going to go from E1 to E60. E1 includes the word score, right? Which is not data, but I need to do that. Then X range. I'm going to click on time. And again, I'm going to include the word time. Yeah. Because I've done that, I've got to click on labels, which tells Excel that the first cell, the first row, is the name of the variable. And I click OK. And what this shows me, the important things to look at are here, right? This tells me that I'm explaining about 11% of the variation in score is explained by how long students took on the exam. This is the value, the score that people got if they spent this is the value someone got on this exam if they spent 0 time. Does this make any sense? No, it doesn't. It doesn't mean anything. This basically says when you sat down, you got 17 and a half point. That's ridiculous. That's not true at all. So we don't interpret that in any way. I don't care what that p-value tells me. What I'm interested in is this time and the p-value. The p-value tells me that it's statistically significant. It's less than 0.05. And that for each extra minute, students scored 0.06 points higher. Now, that's a really weird way of thinking about it. So what I might do is say, for each 60 minutes, because it's linear, people scored about 3.8 points higher. Yeah. The last thing I'm going to want to know is how many observations. A simple regression. Now I'm going to run a multiple regression. So I'm going to go back, data analysis, regression. And instead of just including time, I'm going to also include senior. So I'm now going to highlight in the X box both of these. And this is why labels important. So because it's going to see here, it tells me what those variables are. So now I'm explaining about 18% of the variation in score is explained. Yeah. I don't really care about this, but I need to note it. What matters are these two, yeah, and these two. So what does this tell me? Well, seniors controlling for how long they took on the exam, scored just under 3 points higher on average. But I cannot be confident because this is greater than 0.05, right? That value there is greater than 0.05. I cannot be confident that time is related to score when I control for senior status. When I don't control for senior status, I am confident it's related, right? But when I control for senior status, I am not confident. I don't talk about its direction. I don't say it's not related. I just say I'm not confident. And finally, I have 59 observations. That's how you run a regression. Very, very simple. All right. So this is a little video that I will post and you can practice with this assessment data. All right, everyone. Good luck. See you soon. Bye-bye.